Welcome to Mystical Minds. I'm your host, Jamie Gerard, and today I will be reading poetry and prose from Danny Martin Gerard. He's the author of the Poetic Cues trilogy. You can find his work at dannygs.fortoday.com or Mystical Minds YouTube channel and podcast, co-owned with myself, Jamie Gerard. Claim your power. There's always hope, no matter how dark it seems, despite the long trek, trials and temptations. Allow God to reveal the path, while you declare your faith and perseverance. Claim your power, look ahead, and declare your destiny and dream. Thank you so much, Danny G. That was amazing. And now, I'd like to take a moment with you. So if you're able, just close your eyes and think about 3 things you're grateful for from yesterday. I am grateful for a new program I learned. I'm very grateful for the new material it gives me. And I'm grateful for the time I got to spend with my wife. What are you grateful for? Now, take a deep breath in and let it out. With love. Thank you so much for listening and have a beautiful day.